So the next thing I just want to cover for you guys, or what I'm going to do, is I'm going to give you guys pieces of information. All right? So I'll give you guys all this information. All I'm asking you guys to do is, one, just plot the information. Just take the information. If I give you points, you can plot a coordinate point. Unless you're sleeping right now, then it might be difficult. But you just plot the points on a graph, okay, and take an idea of what the graph looks like. Then you're going to use the graph or the info that I provided, like your understanding of conic section, not what's on your phone, but your understanding of conic sections, as well as what's on the graph, to identify what is the center, as what are the values of A and B. So remember, guys, A is the distance from your center to your vertices. B is the distance from your center to your co-vertices. And remember, your center is the midpoint of those two, right? Or it might be given to you. Who knows? But identify those values information. Then for the last step is you're just plugging it in. Plug in a squared, b squared, h, and k. Now, it's actually not that simple because you actually have two equations. So which one do you plug it into? So you got to understand your orientation. For example, if I give you two vertices and they look like this on both sides, you know your major axis is now vertical. So therefore, you know a squared needs to be under x. But if I give you maybe two foci that look like this, well, you know the foci lie on the major axis. So now your major axis has to be vertical. So therefore, your a squared needs to be under y. So you'd have to use this equation. So you're going to plot the information to understand your center, your a, and your b. You're also going to use that information to understand the orientation of your ellipse. Is it horizontal major axis or vertical major axis? And then you're going to plug in a squared, b squared, h, and k. And just remember, I might only give you like a and c. So that means you need to find b. Or I might give you c and b. So that means you need to use this equation to find a. Or I might just give you a and b, h, and k, and you just plug it in, right? Kind of easy. OK, so that is all you guys need to know.